Morning everybody. My name is Sustri Sangeeta Jaina. I am an expert of MKD Education. Okay. In the previous I have already given a video that is generation of computers. Okay. So today I will give a talk of classification of computers of this chapter, that is computer organization. So we will start. So this is all about your supercomputers. Okay. So next we will go to the mainframe computer. Okay. So mainframe computer. What is mainframe computers? Now mainframe computer is a computer which is very expensive computer and capable of supporting hundreds or even thousands of users simultaneously. Okay. So mainframe, it will at a time simultaneously it will work hundreds or thousands of users can work in a mainframe computers. Okay. In some ways mainframes are more powerful than supercomputers. Okay. In some ways means what? In particular, if I will consider a single program, then supercomputer is faster. But if we will consider at a time what? Now more than hundreds and thousands of users, so mainframe computers are most powerful than your supercomputers. Okay, and it is very expensive computers. So this is the main difference between mainframe as well as supercomputer. Single program, then supercomputer is faster. If I will consider hundreds and 1000 of users are working simultaneously, in that case, what happens? The mainframe is best. Okay. So this is the only difference between supercomputer and mainframe computers. Okay. So this is all about your mainframe computers. Next, we will go to third types of computers. That one is your mini computers. Okay. So next we will go to the mini computers. And this is the mini computers. Now mini computer, as the mini name is what? Mini computers. So mini computer is mid-size computer. Mid-size means what? Now it is the size varies from mini computer lies between workstation and mainframe. The size is varies from workstation as well as mainframe. So it is the mid-size between mainframe as well as the workstation. And in general what happens now, a mini computer is a multi-processing system capable of supporting from 4 to about 200 users simultaneously. 4 to the capable is or the capacity we can take 4 to 200 users simultaneously. But in mainframe what happens, hundreds as well as 1000s of users I can use, or we can simultaneously we can work there in mainframe computer. That's why it will lies between mainframe as well as the workstation. So it is the mini computer, and the size is as compared to the mainframe, it is the size is varies, means size is lesser than your mainframe computer. That's why it is the mid position between the mainframe as well as mini computers. Okay, so this is all about your mini computers. Then I will start microcomputers, or I can say that personal computers. So this is the fourth category depending upon the working behavior. What is the microcomputer, or I can say that personal computers. So nowadays we are using personal computers. Okay. So personal computer and microcomputers are of four types. What are they? Now one is your desktop computer, laptop computers, palm-thumb computers, or you can say that digital diary, notebook, PDS, everything you can say, or you can say workstation. So these are the four types of, these four types are under your microcomputers. Okay. The first one, desktop computer. Desktop, all of you know that desktop means a personal or micro mini computer sufficiently on a desk. That is your desktop computer, nothing else here. Laptop computer. Nowadays all of you are using laptop computers. Okay, and this is portable. You can take one place to any place very easily. So here I am same thing we are writing, that a portable computer completing with an integrated scene and keyboards, and it is generally smaller size than desktop, because desktop size is very high or very heavy. You can say that you cannot portable, you cannot take one place to another place. In comparison to desktop, laptop is very portable. A laptop is easily you can take one place to another place. Okay. So next type of computers under microcomputer, that one is your palm-thumb computer or digital diary, or you can say that notebook or PDA, same thing. That is a hand-sized computers. It is also the size is very less as compared to other types of computer. Palm-thumbs have no keyboard, but the screen serves both as input as well as an output region. Nowadays students are maximum students, all of you are also using palm computers, okay. So this is the size is very less because there is no keyboard, okay. And both input and output that I am writing, the screen serves both as input and output device, okay. The screen that will be displayed, you can input there as well as you can show your outputs, okay, or you can display your outputs. The next type is your workstation. Workstation means what? Now a terminal or a desktop computer in a network. Okay, in a network means there are different types of computers in a network. Okay, means more than one computers are present. More than one computers. One computer you will treated as a server and others they are treated as a client. That I can say that this is also client server architecture. If you will consider in real life, that maybe you can take a lab, all the computers are in a network connection, means I can say that LAN connection, that all are I can use as a workstations, okay. So they are in a network, that's why I am writing a terminal or desktop computer in a network, okay. They are all present in a network. This is your workstation. So these are the four subcategories, or these are under your microcomputer. What are not desktop computer, laptop computers, I can say that laptop computers or PTA or whatever, or workstations. So these four computers we will discuss. So means these four computers depending upon the working behavior: supercomputer, mainframe computer, mini computer as well as microcomputers. These four categories we will discuss, that is depending upon the working behavior. The most important is because students are, many people are confusing, computers are classified 3 types, someone is telling it is a 4 types. No, it is classified into 3 types depending upon the input types. What are the inputs? Okay, so it are classified 3 types: analog computer, digital and hybrid computers. Okay, clear, no problem. But depending upon their working behavior, they are again classified under 4 types. What are they? Now one is your super, mainframe, mini and micro. So these 4 categories are we discussed one by one. I think you people have no doubts. Okay. So these are all about your classification of computers. Okay. We are very clear. So this is all about my class, okay, classification of computer depending upon the input types as well as depending upon the working behavior, okay. So these are the key points to know about various components, and these are the importance questions in this class. What are the importance question? What is the use of supercomputer? Already just 5-10 minutes before we are already discussed super, as the name implies, very fast, or computer. So we are already discussed. I think you have no idea, means no doubt, if people have no doubt. So next question is, what is the difference between mini and microcomputers? Okay, mini and microcomputer means already we are also discussed. Then write about the different types of computers in details. Okay, write about the different types of computers in details. What are the different types of computers? We will read this depending upon the input type. You people classified 3 types. Okay, already we have discussed. Depending upon the working behavior, it is of 4 types. Already we have discussed. So these are the 3 important questions of this class. Okay, so this is all about my class. So next class I will discuss what are the input devices as well as output devices. Okay, thank you.